ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the Enclaps channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi. Today we are going to discuss Indian Standard Time and the International Deadline. The 0-degree longitude is known as Greenwich Meridian. It requires its name from Greenwich, the place where Royal British Observatory is situated and through which this line passes. Time is calculated worldwide based on the Greenwich line. Hence, this line is also known as the prime meridian. The local time at the prime meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time. Based on the Greenwich meridian, the world is divided into 24 zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. They are known as time zones. What would be the longitudinal extent for each time zone? It is 15 degree. The local time would be different at each longitude. If we start calculating the local time at different places based on the longitude there, it would create a lots of confusion. To solve this, the local time at the longitude that passes through the middle of the country is selected as the common time for the whole country. Each country in the world considers the longitude that passes almost through its middle as the standard meridian. Look at the map. This is the map of Russia. The time difference between the eastern and western part of Russia is about 11 hours. In order to avoid such a large time difference, the countries with large longitudinal extent estimates more than one local time by considering more than one standard meridian. The local time at the standard meridian is the standard time of that country. Next, let us learn about India's standard time. The longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree east to 97 degree east. This means that there is a time difference of about 2 hours between the eastern and western part of India. As it is not a large time difference, the 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes almost throughout the middle of the longitude, has been fixed as the standard meridian of India. The local time along the longitude is generally considered as the standard time of India. This is known as Indian Standard Time.
പാഠഭാഗത്തെ എല്ലാ പരീക്ഷണങ്ങളും ഇനി വീഡിയോ രൂപത്തിൽ കണ്ടുപഠിക്കാം എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ലാബിലൂടെ. ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ട്യൂഷൻ ആപ്പ്.
Which state does Indian Standard Time pass through? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Look at the table. Calculate the time at each 15 degree longitude east and west of the Greenwich line up to 180 degree longitude and complete the table. We know that time advances towards the east and recedes towards the west, and 15 degree longitudinal area of the earth passes by the sun within a period of 1 hour. Now, try to complete this table. You might have noticed that there is a difference of 24 hours at 180 degree longitude to the east and the west of Greenwich. The place A marked in the given figure is located at 180 degree longitude. Which day would it be for those residing at place A? If 180 degree longitude passes through a country, the places situated east and west of these lines will be having 2 different days. Think about the practical difficulties caused by this. To avoid this, certain necessary adjustments have been effected in these lines with the result that it doesn't pass through the corresponding land areas. Note the longitudes marked with broken lines. The line is in such a way that it passes through Bering Strait in Pacific Ocean and avoid some of the inhabited islands. The travelers who crossed the line from the west calculated the time by advancing it by 1 day, and those who crossed the line from the west deduct 1 day. This imaginary line is known as International Date Line.
നിങ്ങൾ കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് സിലബസ് ആണോ പഠിക്കുന്നത് എങ്കിൽ എല്ലാ വിഷയങ്ങളുമായി എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ.
Let us calculate time. What will be the time in India when it is 12 noon at Greenwich? Let us see how the time of India is calculated. The longitudinal difference between India and Greenwich is equal to 82 degree 30 minute. The time difference for 15 degree longitude is equal to 1 hour. The time difference for 82 degree 30 minute longitude is equal to 5.5 hours. That is 5 hours 30 minutes. As India is located to the east of Greenwich, the time in India will be 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich mean time. Therefore, the time at India is equal to time at Greenwich plus time difference, that is 12 noon plus 5 hours 30 minutes, that is equal to 5:30 pm. What will be the time in Japan? That is 135 degree east when it is 11 pm on Monday in India. The longitudinal difference between India and Japan is equal to 135 degree minus 82 degree 30 minutes, that is 52 degree 30 minutes. The time difference for 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes. Time difference for 52 degree 30 minute longitude is equal to 52 and half into 4, that is 210 minutes, which means 3 hours and 30 minutes. As Japan is situated at the east of India, the time in Japan would be 3 hours and 30 minutes ahead of that time in India. When it is 11 pm on Monday in India, the time in Japan is equal to 11 pm Monday plus 3 hours 30 minutes is equal to 2:30 am Thursday. This is all about seasons and time. Thank you all.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.